guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. I have no makeup on my face today because we're trying out some new products. So Colourpop, I'm just jumping right into it. Colourpop just released the Zodiac Pigment collection. And if you guys have been following me, I already reviewed the Zodiac Palette when they came up with this palette. Remember when they came out with this one? And it came with like a highlighter, a couple lippies. I think there's 2 highlighters and I think 2 lippies. And I got this highlighter. I got the On the Cusp. I got the What's Your Sign, which is one of my favorite lipsticks. I reviewed the Kale Polish Zodiac collection that they came out with. So right now Zodiac is really popular, and right now like just anything galaxy or space or anything has always interested me, so those are kind of eye-catching for me. I see those and I really want to try those out. As you can tell, I have like a little Capricorn sign back there, but I was so excited to see this, and the packaging is so cute. I'm not gonna lie, you guys, this is my favorite color. This is my favorite color. This like minty green turquoise, but it's like muted and deep, kind of like that. That right there is my favorite color. And because it looked like this, I knew I had to pick it up because it's so like sleek. I can store all of these in here. It's cute. You can display it if you want. And I just really, I don't know, this really interested me, these loose pigments. So we're gonna be reviewing those. So this is what we're gonna do. Wait, first, make sure you're subscribed. Make sure you're subscribed. Make sure you hit that notification bell. Even if you're subscribed, make sure that they have still let you be notified, because sometimes YouTube will unhit the bell for you. They will take away your bells. They will unnotify you. So make sure that the bell has still been rung. And trust me, you want to, because I have a little giveaway surprise for you guys at the end. So make sure that you're subscribed. First, I'm going to tell you guys a little bit of information like how much this costs. And I'm going to show you the packaging up close. You can look at it. I think it's so gorgeous. Look at that. It's the gold detailing, just so beautiful. I'm going to swatch each loose pigment by itself, like dry, over a glitter glue and wet, so you guys can see each swatch next to each other and see like the differences in them. We're going to I'm going to do a whole look with this. Also, I'm going to test this out all the ways that Colourpop basically says, or Kathleen Lights said that you, because this is her collection, Kathleen Lights did this, each way she says you can use them. She says you can use them on your nails as liner, blah 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 blah. So I'm gonna try that out for you guys. We're gonna see how that works out. I have been trying these for a little while, so this isn't a first impressions. I definitely have some thoughts on this. So at the end, I'm gonna tell you my full review thoughts. Do I think it's worth it and whatnot? So first off, how much this cost? So this whole kit costs $70. Right now there's 20% off on the website. So right now it's $56. I'm gonna try to get this video up as soon as possible. So if the sale is still going on, you can get a hold of that. Each individual loose pigment is $6, and right now it's $4.80 on the website, like for the sale. So this is kind of what the packaging looks like. It is this beautiful like turquoise color. There's all this gold detailing, and this is so beautiful. So instead of labeling them all like zodiac signs, she labeled them, I guess, what is it, they're symbols or whatever it is. So like Capricorn, the goat, she labeled it the goat. The archer, the scorpion, the scales, so all of that. And you can just see how beautiful, like the gold detailing, it's so gorgeous. And I'm really excited because they're loose pigments, they're new, and supposedly they're really, really good. So let's go ahead and swatch all these. Let's swatch all these, see how these all look. Okay, so here is the lion and crab, the crab. This one's dry, on a glitter glue, and then wet. Dry, glitter glue, wet. Okay, so we have the first one's dry, the second one is with a glitter glue, and the third one is wet. So we have here the twins, the ram, the bull, and the fish. The bull is freaking super cool, you guys. So unique and really cool. Okay, so the first swatch is always dry, the second one with the glitter glue, and the third one wet. So we have the Archer here, the Scorpion here, the Scales here, the Fish here, and the Maiden here. It's kind of getting hard to like differentiate. I think the biggest difference is with these ones, but these ones, like the wet and the glitter glues, are pretty much looks almost the same. Okay, so the last one is of course my sign, the goat. And even dry, it looks amazing. So dry, glitter glue, and wet. And it just looks so so gorgeous, so delicious. Love it so much. Okay, I'm gonna try to use as much Colourpop as possible. I'm just priming really quickly. I'm gonna use the Zodiac palette that they already came out with. I'm gonna get into the Taurus right here, and I'm gonna start by putting that into the crease. Which, if you don't have this is a really good one too. It's a really good palette. I was really happy with it and I use it a ton. I'm gonna get a tiny bit into the Libra right here, which is kind of like a purpley color. And I'm putting that right over top, and I'm not gonna take that too high. I'm getting to Elements of Surprise palette and getting to this color right here. And lightly kind of just dusting that. So in the Elements of Surprise, I'm getting into this purple lightly with my finger and just kind of applying it to the lid as a base, like just a color. I'm gonna start and I'm gonna try to put the crab on just like this inner part of the lid loose, and I just want to see kind of how it looks on the eye. This is just a Colourpop E3 brush. So I'm gonna kind of tap it in there. Just putting that in the inner corners just for a light, like reflective dusting. But again, you guys saw in the swatches, like if you use it wet or the glitter glue, like it just looks different depending on what you use it with it, you know what I mean? And I'm gonna just use a brush that doesn't have anything on it and make sure that it's kind of not so harsh on the crease. That is gorgeous, you guys. So gorgeous. Okay. And I do want to put this one, which is the Fish, on like the outer corner, but this one I am going to use a glitter glue. I'm going to get into a little bit of the Virgo and the Taurus in the Zodiac palette and just kind of go into the crease with it lightly. Just where it kind of meets. This is what I'm going to do, you guys. I'm getting the Water Bearer. It's like this blue color, and I'm going to mix in the top some water and try to make like an eyeliner situation is what we're going to do. But I kind of like it. I think it's nice, it's soft. I didn't want like a cut crease or anything, just like washes of glitter and color. And I like how it turned out. I'm gonna do the rest of my makeup, I'll be back. We can talk about the rest of the products here in a second. So another new thing I got from Colourpop as well is I got two of their mascaras, their Colourpop new mascaras. I got a yellow one, which I tried already, and I was really sad that it didn't come out the way I wanted it to come out. So I also got the red one, which is called Left No Red. Well, I really like it on like the lower lashes. It like makes my eyes look really nice. I like that. I don't know if this is something I would use on the top lashes very often. I actually like this one a lot better than the yellow one. I wish the yellow one performed better. So this is kind of how the finished look ended up looking. You can also use these on your nails. So I'll show you guys kind of what I did. I used them today and I tried it by itself and I wasn't a big fan of it because I used the crab. I think some of the other ones would look good by themselves. But the crab on top of this polish looks so beautiful. And I love that you can add it as an iridescence, like something to just make your nail polish kind of pop, and it's really easy to do. If you just wait until your polish is almost dry and there's a little bit of tackiness left, and then you get an eyeshadow and you kind of like brush it over top, it gives you that color and it kind of changes your polishes, which I really love. So you guys, my final thoughts, I think this is totally worth it. For me, I'll use them all. If you won't, pick your colors that you really love, because the fact that I can do liner with this, I can do multiple looks because I can make it like just a nice wash, or I can really pack it on, make it look metallic, or I can do it on my nails. Like, I really love that, and the packaging is really superb. They did a good job. So some of my personal favorites, the water bearer is one of my favorites. I would totally wear this all over the lid and it would just look so gorgeous, and I think I'm gonna do that next. And I just love it, and I love that they're tiny, but there's still a lot of product, and it's just really user-friendly with that top. I love this one. I also love the fish, obviously why I put it on. I love these two, and these two together are gorgeous. I love the goat. I love this as a bronzy shade. This is something that if I'm going to a wedding, I would do like a smoky eye and put this all over the lid, and it just is so beautiful. I've worn this so much, the goat. I also really surprisingly love the scales, like this pinky color, so gorgeous. I love this, and again, this is one that I would actually really like on top of nails. I really like that as well. And those are just the ones that are my personal favorite. I think that for the price, they're so great. So before I finish this video, you guys, I do want to do a giveaway for you guys. I haven't done a giveaway for a long time. You guys have been so amazing and so sweet. So I'm going to be giving away 4 of these little pigments that I really love, and I'm really excited to give some of those away for you guys. So I'm going to give away 4. I don't know which ones yet. I have to pick them out, whatever's left, because a lot of them are sold out. And I'll put them down below for you guys. So to enter, all you have to do is click the giveaway link down below. All that's going to do is send you to a page where it's going to verify that you're subscribed to my channel. It's also going to show all these other options to do multiple entries. So like if you want to follow me on Instagram, that's going to be a separate entry. If you want to share this video, it's going to be another entry. So there's going to be lots of entries, but the main thing is you do want to be subscribed, and that's kind of the main entry. So that's all it's going to take you. It's not going to be anything wacky, anything weird. You don't have to buy anything. It's completely free giveaway. It's going to be out for a week, and at the end, it's going to randomly pick someone. I'm going to send you an email from me, and I will put also who won in the description box, so you can make sure that it's actually me sending you the email and that you actually won. If you don't answer within 24 hours, you guys, I'm gonna pick a new winner. 24 hours you got. So you gotta make sure you're on top of your email. So 1 week. So next Monday, I'm going to choose. So I hope you guys are excited. Give me a like if you like when I show you guys like new collections. And if you're excited for the giveaway, don't forget to click the link so you can be entered into the giveaway and share with your family and friends. It's going to be completely random. But that's it, you guys. I love you guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye, guys.